Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Sonic. Previously Fantom of course, but I'll refer to it as Sonic for now and from now on. But wanted to make a video on this. I mean, someone asked for an update yesterday, so I've covered Sonic and I keep an eye on this personally myself as well. It's on my watch list. So yeah, thought I wanted to make a full video right here. We also got some bullish momentum over the course of this morning, actually, as you can see. While most of the markets were still dropping down, Sonic got about a 26% pump, which is quite good. The thing though is that obviously, I mean, Sonic has been massively bearish. I mean, the last time I covered it was somewhere last week, excuse me, when we just got listed on Binance again, which was the 16th. But what I said is that, all right, well, if we, as long as we can hold like 75, 73 cents, we're golden. But then with the bearish pressure we had over the course of the weekend, that absolutely faded. I mean, you can see that we still had somewhat of a bullish structure right here. We already lost the momentum on Friday, and then on Saturday we had a big bearish breakout, and after that we got into a downtrend. So for me, the big question right now is not, well, can Sonic actually pump? Because that seems quite hard, especially also if you take a look at the general market right here, which is Bitcoin is actually looking quite good. Most altcoins are not, and it still looks like the market is going to be quite volatile. So for me, the question is not, well, can Sonic actually can Sonic pump higher? We'll talk about that obviously, but that's not the main question. What's most important for me is, well, can we actually stop falling? Like, was this the bottom? And that's a difficult question. I mean, in the end, I don't think we have enough evidence of that right now. What we can see is that the bottom was well defended. The volume actually went up significantly, as you can see, when we got to the bottom. And then the second time we got to the bottom, it was defended again. Volume dropped down to $200 million, jumped up by about 20% to cause this pump as well. So it looks like we're forming a nice bottom right here. Fundamentally, Sonic has also grown until yesterday again, but then after that, I mean, obviously, a lot of money just in general was going to other places. But fundamentally, did quite good, and I do think that this is the first time since the launch of Sonic that I think, all right, well, we're actually forming a decent bottom right here. We're actually getting enough volume to know that buyers and sellers are agreeing on some sort of a bottom right here. Now, ultimately, for me, the main question is well, and we hit a significant psychological support level as well, by the way, at 50 cents. But for me, the most important level is this level right here at 55 cents. That's a respected level, as you can see here on the 1 hour time frame. We broke above that with volume. If this is actually the bottom, what Sonic will be able to do is we'll be able to consolidate here. All right, and then this consolidation, as long as the market doesn't crash, at least, is going to lead to a breakout above 64 and 63 cents as well. And then we can actually pump up higher. All right, so what I need to see right now on the short term for the next day or two is that we'll be able to hold 55 cents. Because if we do, then we have put in a bottom. Then we'll start some sort of a consolidation, and from that consolidation, in combination with the current market cap and with the total value locked of Sonic and just in general the fundamental development, I think that consolidation will lead to more, or at least new, bullish momentum. So that's what we're waiting for right now. Now, if I would have to give you my most likely scenario right here for Sonic, first of all, I would say I would not trade this right now. It's much too early to call this a bottom, and we could definitely still drop down lower if 55 cents doesn't hold, but I would say something like this is most likely. I think Sonic got sold off very much. I think we have a good indication that this bottom was defended, and I'm actually still relatively bullish on the markets, even though most people at this point of time are not. So therefore, I think this is most likely. But like I said, if you actually do want to trade this, I would wait for a little bit more confirmation. But that's just me. Those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.